Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stake USDT on Binance. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, you have to be at the home page and make sure that your Binance app is updated and verified, so you'll be able to carry out transaction. And what you have to do over here at the home page is for you to go over to more. You can see it here, and so over here you have to look for in case you can't search for it. You just go over to the search area and type in, and here there are three options here. So you just have to go over to the one that is showing start earning with your crypto. So let me go over to it. Yeah, you have to basically subscribe for the staking option since you want to stake USDT, and the low risk here on USDT is 13.03%. so let me go over to it, and you just have to go over to auto subscribe. Let me subscribe to it and then go over to confirm. So over here, make sure it's at the flexible, and some others in case on your own is showing fixed. You can put it on the fixed side or you can leave it at the flexible side, and at the amount side you can put the amount of USDT you wish to stake. And so after you're done putting the amount of USDT you wish to stake, you'll be able to receive the equivalent amount of reward you are going to get. You are going to get the reward every single day, so it will be reflected in the page. Let me go over to put just 2,000, and when you are done with that, you just have to go over to I have agreed to the Binance simple in service agreement, and you go over to confirm. When you go over to confirm, you'll be able to stake your USDT on Binance. Or if you wish to stake other crypto, you have to go over to the home page to select your favorite crypto. If you wish to stake any of these, you just have to go through the process which I show you right now. And guys, this is the end of this video. I hope I've been able to show you how to stake USDT on Binance. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.